Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we've invited Engineer Zhou to provide a detailed explanation of the preparation work required before starting up the EPS crusher and dust removal machine. Before powering on the machine, you need to connect a compressed air pipe with a 10mm diameter and adjust the pressure to 0.4 MPa. The power cable for the pulse dust collector should be connected to the circuit breaker inside the control cabinet, which supplies its power. What you're seeing now is the main power cable. The first part of the control cabinet is the main power switch. Flip it down to disconnect power, flip it up to supply power. After powering on, tap the touchscreen to enter the system interface. The system is currently in automatic mode. Press the System Start button, and each part of the equipment will automatically begin operating. At this point, you can start feeding material into the feeding area for crushing. A dust collection bag needs to be connected to the bottom of the dust collector. The separated dust will be discharged from the bottom outlet and enter the bag. The dust bag must have a certain level of air permeability. The air outlet above the fan needs to be connected to a flexible hose, allowing the processed materials to be blown directly into the storage bin through the hose. To facilitate transportation, we package and ship the equipment in 3 separate parts. The connection pipe between the dust collector and crusher is disassembled before shipping. During installation, you only need to connect according to the connection markings on the equipment, making the operation simple and straightforward. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.